Hi, are you interested about 3D design and products visualization? Did you search more about courses take you step by step in that field but it's hard to find something similar? Then you can take a look on that course. It contains 3 products workshops, chips packing, yogurt packing and hand wash model in more than 7 training hours and with 30 days money back guarantee and completion certificate. What you will learn in that course and what makes this course different. This course will learn you the right steps to get successful product visualization project, starting from getting client brief and what it must that brief contain. What is the blueprints and how we can use it and references in our projects. Different modeling techniques starting from the easiest to the advanced. Materials and textures using different types of texturing with UVs and unwrapping. How to prepare your product render stage, cameras, lights and render settings, and you will get prepared render stage with course resources to use it in your product render directly. How to add different types of lights, V-Ray sun, V-Ray lights and HDRI maps. So what is HDRI maps and how to work with, you will learn that too, and how to get it easy and free from different websites. Also, it's not animation course, but you will learn really useful animation tricks like working with rigid and collider bodies and how to make 360-degree turntable product animation. It's very useful for your client if you work on products online stores. Who is this course for? This course for any person interested about 3D world. So if you are a 3D artist or a student or engineer or work in advertising field, that course will help you much as I think. If you study graphics or industrial design, this course will help you too. I'm Ahmed Hakeem, a 3D artist and authorized designer by Autodesk since 2017 with more than 7 years experience in that field. Once you finish that course, you will get a completion certificate from Udemy and I will be here to support you all time in my Telegram channel and social pages. Finally, don't forget, this course contains 30 days money back guarantee. So if you get it and you don't like the content, it's easy, you can take your money back again. If you like course idea but you don't decide yet to take it or no, simply you can take a look on that free 20 minutes, you can see the topics and explanation, then you can decide. So what are you waiting for?